Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get studio quality in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following music video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the feed, discover, solver services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get studio quality in Bandlab. So first of all, invest in a good microphone and audio interface to capture clear audio. Record in quiet, acoustically treated space to minimize background noise and echo. Ensure your input levels are set correctly to avoid distortion and clipping. Use Bandlab's built-in effects like EQ, compression, reverb, and delay to enhance your audio. Utilize Bandlab's presets for vocals and instruments to get a professional sound. Use Bandlab's mastering tools to polish your final mix. Choose from options like Universal, Fire, Clarity, or Tape Mastering. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.